Dear friends, my name is Marilyn Josefsson and I'm the ambassador of the European Union to Kyrgyzstan. Today I would like to talk a little bit about an extraordinary platform that has the power to shape your future, ignite your passion and transform you into global leaders, namely the Models United Nations. The youth of today, like all of you, hold within them the potential to make a significant impact on the world. Model United Nations is not just another extracurricular activity, it is a remarkable simulation that empowers young minds to tackle the most pressing issues facing our world today. In this transformative journey, you will step into the shoes of diplomats, negotiators, and problem solvers. You will debate, negotiate, and draft resolutions that have the potential to shape global policies. But most importantly, you will learn skills that go far beyond the conference room. First and foremost, Models United Nations instills in you the art of effective communication. You will learn to articulate your thoughts with clarity, to listen attentively to others, and to constructively engage in meaningful dialogue. These skills will not only serve you well in this exercise, but will also become invaluable assets in your personal and professional lives. Moreover, Models United Nations nurtures critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. As you immerse yourself in researching complex issues, you will learn to analyze problems from multiple perspectives, think critically, and devise innovative solutions. These skills will enable you to tackle real-world challenges with confidence and resilience. Model United Nations also provides a unique opportunity for cultural exchange and fostering understanding. You will meet diverse individuals from different backgrounds, culture, and ideologies. Embrace this chance to learn from one another, to appreciate diversity, and to build bridges of understanding. Remember, it is through collective collaboration and respect that we can create a better and more harmonious world. Furthermore, Models United Nations teaches us the importance of leadership and teamwork. As you collaborate with your fellow delegates, you will learn to lead, inspire, and motivate others towards a common goal. You will discover the power of teamwork, where the collective efforts of individuals can achieve extraordinary outcomes. These leadership and teamwork skills will empower you to become catalysts for change in your communities and beyond. Lastly, Model United Nations nurtures resilience and adaptability. Through the Model United Nations journey, you will face obstacles, encounter setbacks, and experience the thrill of success. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth, for they will strengthen your character, teach you perseverance, and prepare you for the complexities of life. So, my dear friends, seize this chance to fully participate in the Model United Nations. Embrace the knowledge, the skills, and the friendships that await you. Let the world be your classroom and let your voices be heard. Remember that change begins within you. And through the Model United Nations, you have the power to make a real difference in the world. Believe in yourself, for you are the leaders of tomorrow. Dare to dream big, dare to challenge status quo, and dare to leave your mark on the world. The future is yours, and the Model United Nations is your pathway to greatness and success. Enjoy this journey and the best of luck for all of you in your future.